Conclusion. Coping with stress can be one of the biggest challenges that any of us face in adulthood. It can be very difficult for us to learn how to manage each little piece of our life and unify them so that they flow in a natural and comfortable way. It is safe to say that many of us are not raised in preparation for the burden of responsibility that we grow into. And a lot of us find we struggle more than we feel we should. But don't be so hard on yourself. What you're going through is hard. And even if there are others out there you admire who are apparently equipped with all the tools and who seem to be able to manage more than you can with less stress about it, don't be fooled. We are all struggling in one way or another. Everything comes with a price, and stress is usually the bare minimum. However, coping with stress can be a very simple and an important way to help you move toward the path to success. Using the guides and resources in this training will help you to obtain that capacity. Everybody deserves to have peace of mind, but unfortunately, if we leave that up to those around us, it will never happen. Our peace has to come from within and through very strict self-discipline. If we are letting the things around us affect us too much, then it will be nearly impossible for us to move forward. People in today's world can't afford to let stress overtake them. It is the people who have proper coping mechanisms and who learn to let things go and to stop stressing out about things they don't need to stress out about who manage to really make something of themselves and make an impact on the world. We are all in a position where we have demands placed upon us, and it is dangerous to get caught up in feelings of stress and anxiety. Learning how to cope with these feelings is an important aspect of growing as a person and achieving the things that you need to achieve to succeed in the life you are dreaming to accomplish. There are so many things that we can all do to help ourselves avoid the pitfalls of stress so that we can more easily achieve our dreams. Nothing in life comes easily or simply, and the sooner we accept that, the easier our burdens are to bear. Sometimes it could be as simple as learning to let go of the things that are bothering us before we are able to finally let loose and be happy in our lives and the situations that we face. From exercising to cleaning up our clutter, to saying positive affirmations to ourselves and remembering that our goals are within reach if we are able to keep them in sight, the possibilities for us to manage the stressors in our lives are endless. One thing is for certain, we all deserve to live a life with as little stress as possible. While at times a little bit of pressure can help us to perform well, sometimes it can just be detrimental to our mental health and well-being. Instead of allowing stress to overtake you, remember that you are capable of so much more than you have probably given yourself credit for. Help yourself to cultivate habits that will help you reward yourself with the fruits of your labor and allow you to enjoy a stress-free life. You have earned it, so continue to work toward that future. Coping with stress is possible and within your reach. We can find ways to manage our issues once and for all, with or without the difficulties that are holding us back. We have to be able to separate ourselves from our emotions once in a while and continue to function despite our feelings of stress. By choosing not to dwell on negative situations and indulge our negativity bias, we can utilize the tools in this training to live more productive and stress-free lives. Go ahead and start today.